Welcome. I'm Carl Masulis, and today we're going to talk about decision making. This is an introduction to a series of lectures that's going to talk about how to succeed and how to fail in decision making. The purpose of this is to try to make us better deciders. First, we're going to focus on the path to success. How should we make decisions? This begins with the process, how we state the problem, how we identify the desired outcomes, the options that we're going to consider, and then weigh the relative merits of these. Then we'll talk about logic, numeric and non-numeric algorithms that we use to try to make the right decisions. Then the decision will be made and the outcome is subsequently obtained. As part of quality control, we have to close that loop. This is to analyze our outcome, fix it if we need to, and then adjust our process and our logic so the next time we're faced with the decision-making process, we do even a better job. Now, what is the pathway to failure? Now, no one really wants to fail. Even if someone has evil intent, they want a success in being that evil. So the most common cause is a logical flaw. This is where someone makes a leap of logic that seems to make sense, but really doesn't. For example, why is the sky blue? Is it because it contains water, like the ocean is blue? No, it's because of a difference in diffraction of the different wavelengths of light as they go through the atmosphere. So that's a logical flaw. Cognitive bias is going to be something that we'll be spending a great deal of time on. That's where we have a whole variety of processes that influence our decision-making, oftentimes in the wrong direction. Just some examples include anchoring, focusing on decisions or ideas we've had in the past, framing, where we bias the presentation of a problem so people come to the wrong answer, confirmation bias. We've made lots of good decisions in our lives. How do we know this is going to be one of them? Overconfidence is common, and then magical thinking. We thought that we got away from magical thinking as a child, but apparently not all of us did. That's where we think if we believe it, then it will be true. Dishonesty is where we are not honest not only with others, but oftentimes with ourselves as well. This is where we think, well, we're good people and we always are looking for the common good of ourselves, our friends, and for the world in general. But we might not necessarily be making the decisions that are the best when considering the needs of all of us, all of the stakeholders. So these are just some of the ways that we can fail in our decision-making process. Well, Masulis Group is pleased to bring you these series of lectures. It's been a privilege for me to be associated with them and lecturing around the world for more than 20 years. Check out the continually growing list of lectures in the series, complete with updates and enhancements. Look forward to seeing you next time.